So today we are doing a Star Wars Lego build, and this is set 8036 and it is called Separatist Shuttle.
And this is what we're building.
Yeah,
And also these are the guys.
okay, color sort
Found
first.
the guys.
Okay.
Okay, we already got the guys. Nuke Gunray. Anaconda Far. Droid Pilot. And Battle Droids. Let's build. This thing is awesome. I can do this for days. Up, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. I love this. Well, that's looking cool.
We're building going.
Everybody turn.
But do.
What's the coolest set in the town? Ah, what are we doing? What are we doing? Hey, we can't touch the ground.
Woohoo! I like flying. Ew.
Crash. I'm a bad driver. See? What did I tell you? I was a bad driver. Hey, could you just stop being a bad driver? Hey, I told you I was a bad driver. Okay, get another battle droid in. I don't like you, bad driver. Hey, buddy. Here's the new arm you need to fly. Yeah, I don't need that one. But you need this one. Meh, I'm a battle droid. Ow. Yay, I get this. Bim, 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 bim. Pew, 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 pew.
What about some good guys? They can't battle without a good guy.
Oh, are you going to be in that, Sophia?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
gonna say bye. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
Bye. Thanks for watching.